Get to know the parts of your phone. This is a Yealink SIP-T5 series phone. This video gives information about the names and locations of the major parts of the phone. Understanding these parts will help you know your phone's features and functionality and assist in future training videos. The parts of the phone include the cradle and the handset. The handset sits in the cradle when your phone is idle or when you use the headset or speakerphone. LCD screen. This part shows information about calls, messages, other relevant information, depending on the phone's programming. Function keys. These are buttons on the sides of the LCD screen. Use these keys to select a line to make a call. These can also be programmed with other functions such as call park, speed dial, and direct extension calling. Soft keys. These are the buttons below the LCD screen. Their functionality is content sensitive. The labels for the soft keys are directly above the soft keys. Number pad. This is used to place calls. Navigation buttons. These buttons work differently depending on what's shown on your display. Volume control button. This button controls the ringing volume when the phone is idle. It also adjusts the volumes when talking on the handset, headset, or speakerphone. Voicemail indicator light. This light notifies you of new messages. Additional function keys. Know more about them and their functions in future videos. For more helpful videos, visit www.dovecommunications.com. Follow us on YouTube. Contact us at news@dovecom.com. Dove Communications Inc., offering peace of mind for all your technology needs since 1992.